What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Stoners Lounge. Today I'm going to show you how I made my nug ornament for a special person on the WeedTube. I'm going to list their channel in the description so it's a little more discreet, because this is a gift exchange that was done on Instagram by a couple of my friends, and I'll list their names here down below. They had this awesome idea of doing a gift exchange for WeedTubers, so I decided to join in on the fun and create something. If you've watched a couple of my videos already, as you can tell, my voice is a little like I've been sick. I know that it's not Christmas anymore, but a lot of us that haven't received their gifts yet, well, mine's coming slow too. And I'm sorry for the delay, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video that I made. I hope that this special person enjoys their gift that I created for them. And maybe they can use it next Christmas or, hang it up somewhere, because I thought it came out super cute. All right, well, thanks for clicking. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, big and the bold,